everyone! Welcome back to Vedic Maths today. In Lesson 4, we're going to learn a magic trick for subtraction called all from 9 and the last from 10.
When we subtract a number from something like 100, 1000, 10,000, instead of doing usual long subtraction, we follow just two simple steps. Step 1. Subtract each digit from 9 except the last digit. Step 2. Subtract the last digit from 10. Let's try it together. We want to find the answer of 1000 minus 357. So subtract the first digit 3 from 9, and that is 6. Subtract the next digit 5 from 9, and that is 4. Now subtract the last digit 7 from 10, and that is 3. So the answer is 643. Let's look at one more example. Subtract the first digit 2 from 9, and that is 7. Subtract the next digit 3 from 9, and that is 6. Subtract the third digit 8 from 9, and that is 1. Finally, subtract the last digit 7 from 10, and that is 3. So the answer is 7613. One important rule: match the number of digits to the number of zeros. For example, base 1000. So in 1000 we have 3 zeros, right? If you have 1000 minus 76, rewrite as 076. Make 76 a 3-digit number. Now look at this example. 10,000 minus 234. We must make it 0234 because in 10,000 we have 4 zeros. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. And finally 10 minus 4 is 6. So the answer is 9766. Now try these questions by yourself and comment below your answers. Also mention how you solved it. One lucky winner will get a special gift from our side.